Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have brand new Apple AirPods 4 and I'm going to tell you how to pair them with your iPhone. So let's try pairing our headphones with our iPhone 12. So let me take it and let's place our headphones over here and our phone unlocked over here. So let me increase the brightness above, of course. And now we have to open our case lid using our case, and as you can see here on our iPhone, we can see not your AirPods. You have to tap connect, and as you can see, double tap the front on the charging case. Double tap over here. It might be difficult sometimes, but we have to do this over here. Sometimes we have to close and open our case lid, as you can see. It's difficult sometimes. And now we are paired. As you can see, we have some tips: media and call control, skip, Siri guide, we can tap not now. Here we can customize our calls and notifications, but I will click close. And now, as you can see, we have our headphones paired with our iPhone. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.